Okay, so we just drained the oil out of our Van 200, which we're in our manual production currently. And this is something real common with Suzuki drain plugs. I think almost all of them use this style. So we thought we'd just share this little tip here. So once you get your drain plug out, it's always a good idea to put on a new sealing washer, not only to prevent oil leaks and seal, but it squishes against the drain plug when you tighten the drain plug down and prevents you from stripping out the threads when you hit your torque spec. So it does two jobs there that are very important. So typically, unless somebody's really squished the crush washer over and over again and it's mushroomed out over the drain plug, you just take the old one off, put a new one on. Well, the Suzuki style is a little bit different, and I've already kind of got this one started, but that's why I said, hey, let's stop and share this with other people. So the Suzuki ones almost look like they're part of the drain plug. They're like locked down in here, and they're a little bit tricky to get off. So if somebody has a better idea, please do share it. I would love to hear it. But this is what I usually do that works. So once you get your drain plug out, a vise is kind of critical in the way I'm going to do it. So we'll walk over here to the vise and show how we did this, how I did this. So you can do this kind of two ways. You could secure it in the vise and just sort of pinch the actual washer, or the way I did this one, it's a little easier to hold. You might have to even go back and forth between both ways to make this work, but you secure it in the vise. And then whether I'm using channel locks, but whether you want to use pliers or whatever, but something to basically to grab this. And then once you can start to kind of rotate it, it'll actually start to, it's not threaded, but it'll actually start to catch the threads of the drain plug. And then you're just going to turn it counterclockwise, and it'll start to actually unthread itself from here. Now, make sure that you already have a plan for your new crush washer before you attempt this, because as I think you can see on this video, this one's going to be, it damages it when you do this, so you really won't be able to reuse it. So just plan to have a new crush washer. And usually it gets a little bit easier as you get towards the end, almost to where you can probably, you can do it by hand. So then, there you go. That old crush washer's off. Then the new one, I don't have one right at the moment, or we do that, but the new ones typically, they haven't squished yet. They'll fit over here. They're not as hard to get off as this is. So then you can put your new one on, and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps, show how that's done, helps you guys out when you're putting your new crush washer on, which you should do. So that's it.